If you're eager to get quicker responses to your texts, try crafting attention-grabbing messages that invite engagement. Instead of bland greetings like, "Hey," start with something specific or intriguing, such as sharing exciting news or asking fun, open-ended questions that reflect the recipient's interest. Personalizing your messages can spark more meaningful conversations. Discuss their hobbies or share engaging photos to pique their curiosity. Keeping a positive tone is essential, as upbeat messages are more likely to elicit replies than complaints. Emojis and GIFs can add a playful touch, but use them sparingly to maintain clarity. You could even send a blank text to create mystery or opt for flirty messages if you're texting a crush. Additionally, mirroring the recipient's texting style can enhance the conversation flow. Lastly, for urgent matters, emphasize the importance of your message to encourage prompt replies.